Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a side part with the rubber band. I think that's how you say it, but yes, I have seen a couple of people do this, and I really didn't know who started it, so I don't want to be like, oh, this person inspired me, this, that, and the third. But I've seen it in a couple of videos, like trending videos, and they didn't tag the people, so I'm really not sure who to say started it. But anyways, yeah, I'll be trying to give credit where credit is due. So yes, I'm going to be trying it on my hair, and my hair is freshly washed. And excuse the lighting if it's bad, I'm trying to figure this whole thing out. And excuse the noise if you hear it, it is the washing machine. Okay, but anyways, yes, my hair is freshly washed, and I just washed it, and this is how it looks. I haven't put any oils or nothing into it, and the oil that I will be putting in there, just because I want my hair to be dry, is going to be this one. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's the coconut milk. I really need to get some more, and I need to get some more wild hair growth oil too. I love to put that in my hair because I have seen it make my hair grow a lot. So I'm going to just rub this throughout my head. So I'm going to part this, if y'all can see. Sorry, I'm trying to part it in the mirror. And I just want to make sure like it's pretty straight. And then I'm going to try up this part because I'm not going to be working with that part right now. And so I'm going to be parting this. I'm going to try to do maybe, I'm trying to think how many parts I want to do. I'm probably going to try to do like 2 rows. I've seen people do multiple rows, like more than 2, but I think 2 should be enough just to get the effect of the look. So, and then I'm going to tie back this part. And then, so the way I like to do mine is go ahead and part this one down the middle as well. Oh. My hair looks really, I hate when my hair looks like this because it looks like I don't have any edges, but trust me you guys, I have edges. Okay, so this is, I'm going to be using this Eco Solid Gel, and I just bought this yesterday. So I'm going to be using this, and I'm going to take it and basically try to lay that part down so I can get this part. And I'm just going to rub it all the way through because I know that like when you bring this one across the hair in the middle, if you don't rub it all the way through, for me the hair looks funny. So I'm going to rub this one all the way through, and then I'm going to take a rubber band. And I got this edge brush, so I'm going to use this edge brush instead of my real brush because it can get like the hair is more smooth on the edges, of course. And then I'm going to make sure that this hair is this way and the part is straight. It looks way different on the camera than it does in person. Excuse my grandma, she knows I'm trying to record, and she's just gonna go in the kitchen and do whatever she wants. So you don't want to put this too tight, but these rubber bands are loose, so for a trick that you don't have to pull them so they don't hurt your edges. And yes, so I'm going to repart this because the part is kind of messed up. Okay. Just brush out this part of my hair and use the Eco Solid Gel and straighten I'm going to now pull this one. So these are the two. Oh, look at the curls. Oh, I was too close. Look at the curls. I was too close to the camera. Okay. So now I'm gonna take down this piece, and we're gonna do the exact same thing. Okay. And then I'm going to pull it back this part. And like I said, I might just end up doing two because I don't want it to be like too far back and then it don't look right. So I'm probably just going to end up doing two. And I'm going to try to part this one in the same spot as the other one. Everything just wants to make noise outside my house right now. Sorry for the noise. And that one is straight. And I'm just going to take a little Eco Styler gel just to hold it up. Okay. And then I'm going to do this one, and I'm gonna put some Eco Styler gel on it. And I'm going to be brushing it just to get the lumps out. And then I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to brush out just so it can be smooth, and I'm going to connect it to this back piece that I just made, and take a rubber band and connect the two. Oh, some hair got stuck on my hand. Okay, and then I'm going to take this piece and I'm gonna take this piece and brush it out. This piece. So this is how that part looks, and it looks really nice. So then I'm going to go ahead and work with just this section of my hair, and I'm going to take this wig brush and just brush it down. And make sure I include this, but you want to be careful that you don't pull your rubber band. So I'm holding that part, making sure I don't pull it too hard to the point where it hurts really bad. And then I'm going to take more Eco Styler gel and slick this back. And then I'm going to take my regular size brush and slick that back. And then I'm going to do in sections. So I'm going to take, I'm just parting with my fingers because it really doesn't matter. And I'm just going to take about this big of a section for right now. And put this part in here. Take the wig brush again. And just, if your hair is hard to detangle, you're gonna wanna either spray some water on it if you didn't just wash your hair, or you're gonna wanna put something in it that'll make it easier for you to go ahead and brush through it. And we'll take some more Eco Styler gel and just run that through and make sure it's nice and slick. make sure that it's gonna slick down well. And okay, and then I'm gonna take this front piece, break this down, and I like to take my front part especially into a lot of sections because I want to make sure that it is really smooth and yeah, has no lumps or bumps at all. Okay, and you see how smooth it's getting? And then I'm just gonna go ahead and take this whole piece and brush this part through. Going to put some styling gel up here to make sure that it stays. So I'm going to be taking more Eco Styler gel and slicking it back down. And I'll make sure I'm brushing down the lumps. And then I'm going to take the brush again. And then I'm going to... And because my hair is so short, I am going to be adding in weave to my ponytail. So this is going to be how it looks if you just want it to be. Of course, if your hair is longer, then you can just leave it like this. So, but because my hair is shorter, I'm going to add weave into mine. So yeah, and I'm about to do my edges. I'm going to be using the edge booster. So I'm just going to take a little bit and just curl this part and curl that just so it looks decent. And I'm going to be going to be creating like a wavy effect to my edges. really nothing like completely out of the ordinary. And just want to make sure that it sits right. So this part doesn't look completely funny. And that's how I like to do that part. It's really nothing like spectacular, just that. And then I would tie it up, and that would be the finished product if you guys just wanted to do that. But I'm going to add in. It's optional if you want to do the weave or if you don't want to do the weave. I have a ponytail video that it goes into details on how to get a really good tight ponytail, so I'm really not gonna go into details how I put my ponytail in, but I am going to show you guys, you know, how it comes out. The ponytail, and I really think this is super cute. This is just a way to spice up your ponytail, and yeah, and especially if you have hair, real natural hair, it will look really cute. So this is the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure if you like this hairstyle, give a thumbs up. I'm trying to shy away from hairstyle videos, but then this is really my like calling, so this is really what I'm doing now. But to make sure y'all let me know other video ideas you want to, or hairstyles that you want me to try. But other than that, this is it. Bye. You don't hear my